Hi everyone! Have you ever tried using the TED Talks to learn and practice your English? Would you like to know how? So I brought you a few tips today. So, first of all, you go into the TED Talk website, and here you can type the title of a selected talk that you already know it exists, and maybe you want to watch it again. Or if you don't have any ideas, you go for topics. Look for a topic that you like. Choose English, of course. And I would recommend you start with the shorter videos from 0 to 6 minutes because you're going to be starting to work on this. So it's a way to get used to it, right? The website will give you a few suggestions of videos that are related to the topic you chose. And then you can choose from here the one that you are going to watch. Okay, so let's see. How to embrace emotions at work. Let's watch this, or let's imagine you would choose this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do here is to make sure the subtitles are off, because when you watch it for the first time, you want to relax, enjoy. You are motivated because it's a topic that you want to hear about. So just relax, enjoy. Don't be worried about understanding all the things that she says. Just get the general idea. And you can do that as many times as you want, as many times as you feel comfortable doing, okay? After that, I'm going to give you 3 ideas on how to work on the topic or on the video itself. The first thing you want to do now, or one of my ideas would be to turn on the subtitles in English. Make sure that if you have other subtitles or your native language subtitles, you're not going to work on that because you don't want translation. You want to listen to it in English and read at the same time. And here you are not, your objective is not listening comprehension anymore, or not per se, but it's also for you to look for words and expressions that you want to listen and repeat. So you're going to be locating parts of the speech that you want to be able to repeat. Okay, look for chunks. They are nice to be learned, and they can be used in the language that your everyday language when you are speaking. So they are nice to be learned because you can incorporate them in your talk, in your speech, okay? This is one idea. The second idea I would give you is that if you look here, you have a transcript. Look for the transcript in English. And the same way that you observed language and looked for chunks or things that you wanted to learn in the listening and repetition, you're going to be doing this in the text now. So look at the text, and maybe if you want, you're able to copy and paste on a document, and then you are going to look for things that you want to learn. They could be verb tenses, they could be vocabulary, they could be expressions, anything that you want or that you feel that you could also incorporate in your language. So, for example, if you want to work with vocabulary, you could even have a vocabulary book where you put the words or the expressions, and you look for definitions in English dictionaries. I will leave some links to nice English dictionaries in the description of this video. And there you also have the pronunciation of the words. So you can have the word, the definition, and then make sentences using these words that you are learning. And every now and then you go back to this vocabulary notebook and you make more sentences about the words. This is a way for you to review what you learned and make sure you are also incorporating this language to your everyday language to enrich your vocabulary and the way that you express yourself. And the third idea I want to give you today is related to speaking. What you can do is summarize using bullet points the talk that you have just heard and try to reproduce it or retell this message to a friend or to a colleague. This is a great way for you to practice your speaking, your communication skills, and also because teaching other people is the best way for us to learn. So this is a great idea for you to also take advantage of the TED Talk that you have just watched. If you decide to try any of those ideas, please let me know how they work for you. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.